Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Have you seen any animated explainer videos online and wished you could make similar videos? Well, in today's time, these type of animated explainer videos are getting viral on YouTube and other social media platforms day by day. Let's take an example of this channel which has started uploading animated explainer videos on YouTube for like 4 months and has gotten over 5 million views with just 45 uploads. And two of their videos have hit over 1.2 and 1.1 million views. We can notice that there are a lot of likes and comments on these videos, which means that audience are liking the videos and they are being engaged in these videos. This is not the only example, we see other examples as well. Check this channel which is also doing the same thing and is earning a decent amount, I assume. It was just created in August 2025 and has gained over 20,000 subscribers with just 45 uploads. You can see that the most popular video has crossed over 670k views. So if you want to make videos but you are a camera shy person, then these explainer videos can be the best ways to start your journey. But you may think that creating these kind of animated videos is difficult, time consuming and stressful. But in today's video, I'll teach you how you can make similar or even more impactful videos in just 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started and see how we can make similar videos in just 10 minutes. Also in the description, you'll find a Google document which will contain all the prompts that we'll be using and the AI tools that we'll be using in today's video. And the initial step to make these kind of videos is to write a script. And for that, we will use the best thing, that is ChatGPT. And you can use the free version of ChatGPT to generate prompts. So just open ChatGPT and write a prompt here, or you can simply paste the existing prompt that you have. Let me paste my prompt here, which is saying something like write a full video script that is engaging, emotionally captivating and designed for viewers' retention, etc. I've given all the details. Now in the end here you see the option of title. So try not to steal other people's ideas and try to come up with your own creativity in bringing these titles. For example, I'll write the two sides of history and then I'll click enter. This is what ChatGPT has generated. So the initial step is done. I'll copy this description and go to the second tool whose link is already given in the description. And the name of that tool is called Golpo AI, which is a text to video AI platform that can transform prompts, documents or voiceovers to professional whiteboard explainer videos in minutes, and yes, no skill is required. In using this tool, you can convert your documents or prompts into whiteboard animation videos. And this is a paid tool and you can see the plans and go for the one which suits your needs. To discover the subscription plans, let's go to the pricing tab here. Once inside, here you can see that you can generate a 1-minute video for free. Other than that, you need to buy a paid plan. An ideal plan would be the growth plan with $199 per month. It gives you 150 minutes of color video. However, business plan gives you 390 minutes of video per month with a $499 per month price tag, which has powerful features like using your own audio, perhaps from 11 Labs, voice cloning, editing frame by frame, recording screens and making product demo, allowing Golpo to even understand and render script, and video instruction to have great control over your video, and also each video can be up to 10 minutes long. Golpo may seem a bit expensive, but the value it can provide if used smartly would be worth more than the subscription price, and you might not be able to find any other single tool that can do this quality of work at this point. For example, if you want to hire a video editor, then usually you would need to pay more than $100 per video, whether via Upwork or any other freelancing services, and your work is usually done in days or weeks. But with Golpo AI, your videos are made ready in just 10 minutes. For me personally, the quality of these videos is awesome. So I think instead of hiring a video editor and wasting your time, just going for this subscription is far better than that. So stick till the end of this video to find out the quality of videos generated by Golpo AI, and then you yourself see whether you need to go for it or not. So once you're logged in, then this would be the type of interface you will see. From here, click on Get Started. Here you see a prompt box and you also have the option to upload a PDF file or a docs file. You also have the option to upload videos and images. Now we will paste our prompt here in this box. It also is a script mode, which means that when you toggle this option on and paste your description here, then you don't need to customize anything. This AI tool will generate a complete video based on the script and you don't need to do anything. But in our video today, we'll turn it off. You also have the on narration mode, in which you need to upload your own voice or any other recording, and Golpo AI will make a video based on that. After pasting the prompt here, we will enable the color, and this feature is also for paid subscriptions. But try to stay till the end of the video to see the effectiveness of this tool, and you can decide on your own whether you need to go for it or not. In the music part, I'll keep it none because I want to add my own music. You can choose any type of music you want to. I will set the duration of 1 minute. I will select the voice as female. You can also listen to the voice by clicking on this option here, and you can try these voices and then select the one that matches your requirements. I'll keep it horizontal and then select the English language and then classic style. If you want a preview to the style options here, then you click on the preview option here and you can see the difference between classic, improved and formal. As we have selected the classic, so we'll see the output in a while. Once everything is selected, I'll click generate. It will take around 5 minutes until my video would be ready. So after around 5 minutes, my video is ready now. Let me make it full screen and you can see that Golpo AI has done some remarkable work and our video is 1 minute 7 seconds long as we had selected. It looks amazing. The voice, the color selection, animation and transition, everything is perfect. And when you go back to the channels that we saw earlier, then you will notice that both these videos look quite alike. Another best thing about Golpo AI is that it understands the script and adds similar facial expressions in the video it generates, which I think is the best feature of this tool. Now we can download this video on our device. Let me play the video and see how the final touch looks like.
What if everything you know about history is only half the story? History isn't just written, it's chosen.
After downloading the video, you can use any video editors and then add a background music and then you can upload it anywhere you want. So in less than 10 minutes, we have completed a video from idea generation, script writing till final touch. So this is how you can generate whiteboard animated explainer videos and upload them on YouTube or any other social media platforms. By doing so, you can become a content creator in 2026 and may become successful in the near time. So you can click on the link in the description, try it for free and explore the potential of this tool on your own. And that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Until next one, goodbye and take care.